On question 4, they are asking us to construct a confidence interval for the population proportion. So we know we have to use the one prop z interval. Here is my calculation. Now, when we run the check of n times p hat and n times q hat, they are both less than 5. So actually, we cannot construct a confidence interval. So this is invalid. On question 5, they are asking us to construct a confidence interval for the mean. So we know that we have to use either a z interval or a t interval. And they provide the sample standard deviation and not the population standard deviation. So we know we have to use a t interval. The sample size is 19. Now, it never says that the population is normally distributed. And our sample size isn't large enough, so it's not greater than or equal to 30. So actually, we cannot construct a confidence interval on this question.